Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 7 of the best automatic cruiser motorcycles you can get your hands on for 2025. Let's jump right in. Number 7. Honda Rebel 1100. Gliding down the highway on 2 wheels can feel like the ultimate freedom, but if the whole clutch and gear dance isn't your vibe, the Honda Rebel 1100 has your back, with a touch of automatic magic. Or should we say, no shifting at all. This cruiser skips the old-school gearbox entirely, opting for a dual-clutch transmission that essentially gives you 2 automatic clutches, delivering buttery smooth gear transitions. Just twist the throttle, and the Rebel takes care of the rest, leaving you to soak in the scenery or crank up that perfect road trip playlist. Sure, an automatic cruiser may seem out of the ordinary, but the Rebel 1100 nails it with style. Its heart is a 1083cc parallel twin engine borrowed from the rugged Africa Twin, offering just the right amount of punch to keep your ride interesting. It's got the low-end torque you crave for laid-back cruising, but can still rev high when you're looking to spice things up. With a starting price close to $11,200, this Honda might not be the cheapest ticket out there, but for riders who prioritize ease and comfort over complexity, the Rebel 1100 and its DCT transmission deserve a serious look. Number 6. Harley-Davidson LiveWire. Hold on to your helmets, because Harley-Davidson has swapped out the rumble for a subtle hum with the bold and futuristic LiveWire. This electric machine is Harley's leap into the next era of two-wheeled travel. And let's just say it's a ride that's thrilling and nearly silent. This definitely isn't your grandfather's Harley. Forget clutches and manual shifting. The LiveWire is all about twist-and-go simplicity, making it ideal for beginners or anyone looking to break away from traditional riding mechanics. With a range of up to 146 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for both weekday commutes and leisurely weekend road trips. Sure, a Harley without its signature roar might feel odd at first, but the LiveWire brings its own electric flair. It hums softly at a standstill and, once you twist the throttle, releases a satisfying whoosh that's more sci-fi than street bike. The price, however, might give some pause. Coming in at around $20,000, it's not exactly budget-friendly. But for those chasing a high-tech, exhilarating riding experience, this electric Harley could be the modern-day muscle you've been waiting for. Number 5. Honda Africa Twin. Meet the Honda Africa Twin, your two-wheeled passport to adventure. And for 2025, you now get to decide whether to take on the wild with the traditional clutch or a cup of coffee in one hand. Yep, it now offers a dual-clutch transmission. That's right, an automatic gearbox built for the adventurous soul. But don't confuse this for your average scooter setup. The Africa Twin's DCT is no slouch. It delivers power with punch and shifts smoothly, giving you one less thing to think about while navigating tricky terrain or urban traffic. You've also got selectable modes tailored to your riding style. Whether you're scaling peaks or gliding through the city with Sunday vibes, this bike adapts to your mood. Now, this kind of convenience does come with a price. The Africa Twin DCT starts at around $14,000, which might cause some budget-minded explorers to think twice. But when you factor in the hassle-free shifting and thrill of adventure, it's hard to put a price on that level of freedom. If you've got a love for the wild and a taste for comfort, the Africa Twin DCT could be your perfect ride. Number 4. Energica Ego. Get ready, motorcycle fans. The Energica Ego is here to challenge every preconception you've got about electric bikes. Say goodbye to the idea that EVs are just quiet, sensible scooters. This Italian machine is fierce, fast, and whisper quiet. No clutch, no gear shifts, just twist-and-go performance that launches you from 0 to 60 mph in a jaw-dropping 2.8 seconds, all while leaving gas-powered bikes in the rearview mirror. Worried about running out of juice? Don't be. The Ego claims an impressive city range of up to 261 miles. Whether you're hitting your daily grind or riding out for a weekend escape, this bike has your back. Plus, thanks to Energetic's DC fast-charging system, you can be road-ready in around 30 minutes. Just enough time for a pit stop and a quick cup of coffee. Of course, all this innovation doesn't come cheap. With a price tag near $20,000, the Ego definitely lands in premium territory. But if you want to stand out from the crowd with a high-performance, eco-conscious ride, this might be your dream machine. Just be ready for some double takes and curious questions wherever you go. Number 3. Honda NC 750X. The Honda NC 750X doesn't fit the mold of a typical motorcycle. If you're not here for roaring engines or constant shifting, this ride is built for ease, comfort, and everyday practicality. Perfect for city commuters or weekend wanderers. Here's the scoop. The NC750X comes equipped with a clever dual-clutch transmission that functions like an automatic. That means smooth rides, no gear grinding, and no awkward stops while fumbling with a clutch lever. Just twist the throttle and you're off. Think of it as a super scooter, but with more muscle. You get the daily convenience of scooter-like practicality, including a spacious compartment for your helmet or groceries, paired with the feel and performance of a legit motorcycle. Fuel efficiency is another win here, making this bike a money saver at the pump. Now, it's not built for speed junkies. It leans more toward comfort than high-octane thrills. But if what you're after is a smooth, manageable ride, the NC750X checks all the boxes. With a starting price around $9,400, it's a wallet-friendly option that won't leave you broke. If your dream bike is comfortable, versatile, and easy to live with, the Honda NC750X may just be the perfect companion. Number 2. Zero DSR. The Zero DSR is an electric motorcycle that rides like a bolt of lightning. It tears through trails and curves with zero emissions and all the adrenaline. Silence has officially never been this exciting. Don't let the lack of engine noise fool you. The DSR brings the power with 144 pounds of torque, shooting you forward like a silent slingshot. From tight curves to unpaved paths, it delivers a versatile riding experience. Thanks to adjustable suspension and off-road-ready tires, the ride remains smooth and stable even when the pavement ends. And range anxiety? Not an issue. The DSR offers up to 155 miles in the city per charge, giving most riders more than enough juice for their adventures. Fast chargers are readily available too, meaning you can power up quickly and keep rolling. Now, about the price. It starts at approximately $11,600. It's not cheap, but it's also not your average ride. If you want an electric bike that's as wild as it is green, the Zero DSR could be your next big thrill. Just be ready to chat. It'll turn heads and spark curiosity at every stop. Number 1. Honda Goldwing. Glide across the country in style and supreme comfort with the Honda Goldwing, one of the most luxurious touring motorcycles on the market. Say goodbye to the bare-bones touring bikes of the past. The Goldwing rewrites the rulebook. It's powered by a silky smooth 6-cylinder engine that hums instead of growls, reducing vibration and increasing comfort. It's like taking your living room on the road, complete with generous storage for all your gear and maybe a few travel souvenirs. Bringing a passenger along? The Goldwing's got their comfort in mind too, with a deluxe backrest and roomy seating. And if the weather turns cold, the heated seat and built-in speakers will keep things cozy and entertaining. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Expect to spend around $40,000 for all the bells and whistles. But if you're serious about long-distance comfort and want to own the highway in style, the Honda Goldwing might be your dream ride. No awkward first dates required. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content on the way. Which bike is your favorite? Tell us in comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Ride safe.